Hey guys, and whatever you do, do not exit out of this video. I just want to say that I decided to go to the top and extreme with my giveaways just for you guys. And all you have to do is leave a like. All you have to do. If this video gets 10 likes right now, one of you guys will win a lucky prize. I am so serious. All you guys have to do is press the like button. That's it. Press the like button and you will win this. If you guys leave a like, you will win 2 pop figures and a mini fridge. Did you hear what I said? A free, and I'm saying a free mini fridge for your own room. Just press the like button. And just to show you that there's actually a mini fridge in here for you guys, here, so you guys actually believe me. What is this? What is this? It's a free mini fridge. So make sure to press the like button and enjoy the video.
You guys, perfect. I heard.
And you know what you're gonna get? You know what you're gonna get? You're gonna get this!
Sundays are fucked, guys.
Nigga, you got your phone? Oh, fuck!
Do you guys want to know how weird my brother is?
Wow!
Thanks for watching, kids, and remember, always smile.